Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. If you are watching this video, chances are high that your agency is using StoryChief for your content creation and wants to include you in a smooth collaboration process. This video will help you get up and running in no time. Let's get started. Let's start from the beginning. Your agency will invite you to join StoryChief. You'll receive an invitation email to join the platform. Simply click on the Join Workspace button in the email to activate your user, and you'll be redirected to the workspace. To configure your personal profile, click on your name at the top right and select Your Profile. On this page, you can configure the most general settings for your profile. Make changes to your first and last name if needed, or change your email address. Below, you can choose to create a new password. Adding a profile picture will help others recognize you when collaborating on content. When all the changes are done, don't forget to click Update to confirm. When you're just logging in via email address and password, you will see the blue security settings. This allows you to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the security settings, fill in your password, and proceed to the next screen. Here, click Enable Two-Factor. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code or fill in the setup key. Enter the 6-digit code in the form below and click Confirm. That's it for the setup. When going to the article overview, you will see all the articles the agency asked you to collaborate on. Here you can see if they are still on draft and what their approval status is, or if they have been published and on which date. The columns will give you a lot of information about each of these articles. Click on the table grid at the right to choose which columns you want to see, and leave out the ones that aren't important. This way, you can customize your overview. Each article has some quick settings in the overview. Click on Edit if you want to access the article editor. Secondly, you can see and create connected social media posts. This ensures that all related social media content is synchronized and consistent, making it easier to execute your content strategy. If you need to make variations of the same article or create similar content without starting from scratch, the duplicate feature lets you copy the existing content. It's a time saver for producing multiple versions quickly. If you're targeting a multilingual audience, this option allows you to change the language of your draft article. It helps in reaching a broader audience by providing localized content. Similar to changing the language, you can add translations directly within the platform. It simplifies the process of creating multilingual versions of your article without needing external tools. Managing campaigns lets you organize your articles within specific marketing campaigns. By managing campaigns effectively, you can track performance and ensure that each piece of content aligns with your strategic goals. By utilizing these options, you'll be able to optimize each article for better reach and efficiency in your content marketing efforts. For published articles, it's possible to view the live version on the website. This overview lets you quickly edit and see the content you are collaborating on. Now, on to the approval. Your agency created an article and asked for your approval or your feedback. In your mailbox, you'll find the message. To review the article, click on the green review button. In StoryChief, you will also receive a notification with this approval request. If you agreed on a periodical reviewal, or when the agency has created multiple articles, they can use the batch approvals. By selecting multiple articles and asking for your approval or feedback, you'll find an email with the content list. To view the articles, click on the button in the email. In the platform, you will also receive a notification with this approval request. In the platform, you will find the pending content waiting for approval. The intuitive interface lets you scan the content and apply your review easily. To focus on the content and the commenting, we'll close the review panel for now. Scroll through the content and select a text snippet to leave an inline comment. Choose to just leave a comment or even make a suggestion on what the text should be. Add an emoji or tag the person who needs to apply the comment and submit your comment. To see the next comment, click on the right arrow. This way, you can quickly navigate through the inline comments. When going through the article, you might see other highlighted text. This means that there is a remark added to it. Click on it to open the comment and add a reply if you want. Leaving comments on specific snippets of text goes smoothly now, so on to the next step. On top of the page, click on Comments to have an overview of all the comments others left. Via Reply, it's possible to add more information or to express your own opinion. Next to the Add Comment button, there is a filter option. The default setting shows all the open comments to focus on the article in progress. Yet it's also possible to show all the comments or only the resolved ones. Now, commenting is a breeze. Click on Pending to open the first sidebar again with the review request. You can leave a remark before declining or approving to motivate your decision. After you click on the Approval button, the status on top of the page will be updated to Approved. This will also trigger an email notification to your agency to let them know about your confirmation. Another collaboration feature is sharing a public link. Click on Collaborate and select Link Sharing Disabled. This generates a link to provide access to external people to view the article. If you want to verify if there are other articles waiting on your approval, you can go back to the article overview and create a filter. Go through the filters and select the rule reviewer status and pick your name from the list. Choose pending status from the options and click on Done. Here, you'll find all the blog articles that are specifically still pending your approval so that you can proceed accordingly. Social posts work very alike. The overview shows all the posts where your collaboration is needed. Similarly to articles, you see the social posts waiting for approval. Quick actions are also available, such as editing, duplicating, and managing its campaigns. By going into a post, you'll see a preview and the channels to where the post can be published. Here, you can also see and leave comments to send remarks to others. If the post is pending your approval, you can click on Pending or Pending Approval to proceed. Leave a remark if you want and click on Approve or Decline. Via the Ask Approval button, you can ask others to be included in the creation and review process. When working with multiple languages for your social media posts, the easiest way is to create a duplicate of your post. In the editor, select the text and use the AI. Choose Translate and then the new language. After the AI is done, click Replace Selection. For some channels, such as Facebook and LinkedIn, you can select an audience restriction. For your target audience, search and select Dutch in the language field. Next to languages, it's also possible to target territorial regions or locations, such as Flanders or the Netherlands. Additionally, for LinkedIn, you can also add a filter for industries. With these options and the duplicating of existing posts, you can truly customize your content for the right audience. That's it for the content. Keeping up to date on the progress of your content is crucial. With the notification sender, you can quickly view comments and see what is pending approval to keep the creative process on track. Click on the bell icon to open the StoryChief inbox. This shows an overview of new actions that happened. Every comment you are tagged in, each content piece pending your approval, a campaign that is about to start or finish, and even destinations that disconnected. It's possible to check notifications as read via the checkbox, or to use the filter on top for a more focused view. When you went through all the notifications, you can also select Mark All as Read. In the notification settings, you can toggle whether you like to receive email notifications and the weekly digest. A tip, here you can also add Slack to receive your notifications. Don't get distracted by a cluttered inbox, but get notified when someone mentions you in StoryChief. Congratulations! You've learned how to collaborate smoothly with your content agency via StoryChief. Go check out the platform and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.